We'll also see more and more brands invest in TikTok, invest in terms of time on the platform and posts and so on. But we'll also see brands exploring the potential of advertising on TikTok. So again, that was one of our trends in 2022 in terms of the emergence and the dominance of TikTok. The number of active users in TikTok has surpassed 1 billion. And in 2023, more companies will adapt their marketing strategies to include eye-catching videos for the TikTok platform. We've also seen engagement rates across the platform soar and really dwarf engagement rates per post. We can see it at somewhere around 4.68% for TikTok and below 1% for most of the other most popular platforms. So it has a hugely engaged audience. And we'll see brands in 2023 increasing their advertising spend on the platform. You can see there from quarter 2 2021, the increased spending on the platform was increased by 231%. A couple of reasons to that. One is they really improved the advertising platform, but also brands started to get a lot of traction and a lot of new customers and a lot of leads and traffic from advertising on TikTok. Brands and businesses are using TikTok to promote discovery and awareness of their products. They're utilizing the platform to showcase new products and how products work. So we talk about the short form videos. This is how it works. We've seen a lot of robotics companies, a lot of engineering and manufacturing companies jump onto TikTok. A lot of construction companies as well, in terms of concrete pours and time-lapse videos of projects and so on, which have gained a lot of traction. The hashtag TikTok made me buy it has nearly 31 billion views. So in terms of people using the hashtag, TikTok made me buy this, has got huge reach. So it's also a platform for discovering new products among the users. And of course, again, back to this authenticity aspect of it, it's going to rule all aspects of TikTok marketing, and it's going to be a powerful ingredient that makes good marketing campaigns great. And you can see the graphic here, don't make ads, make TikToks. And that's one of the key things if you are thinking about advertising on the platform. And they talk about native advertising. So if I'm scrolling down my TikTok feed, I don't want to see the difference between a normal video. Consumers don't want to see the difference between a normal video and an ad. So the ad should look like a regular TikTok video. It should be native to the platform, as opposed to something that's going to make you stop and realize that that's an ad. So obviously in the creative aspect of it, it needs to be quite creative and fit into the mold of the platform.